Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about RC conversions of the Mini 4-wheel drive cars from Tamiya. From left to right, we have the Big Wig, the Grasshopper, the Vanquish, and the Hotshot. These are all classic cars from the Tamiya series back in the day. On the left, you could see that the Big Wig is using the Tamiya steering set. So this allows the steering 4-wheel drive via the servo. This is a linear servo, and this is a push-pull rod made out of a paper clip. And as the servo moves, we have steering, and it's 4-wheel drive, as you can see. Next, we have the Grasshopper. Again, it is the steering system, but this is not from Tamiya. This is from a knockoff brand called Audi back in the day. So Audi makes the steering system for the Super 1 chassis, and the method is the same, so I'm not going to go into the details. Next, we have the Vanquish. Now this is using a bespoke 3D solution. As you can see, we have the push-pull rod from quite a big servo at the back, and the servo actually moves the steering mechanism. Here you have the steering axle. Interestingly, this is also similar to the Tamiya or the Audi steering system. There's an inner hub and an outer hub, so it's 4-wheel drive as well. However, you have to do all the hard work. As you can see, there's a T-joint. You could see the wheel shaft, and then there's a little piece of metal. You got to solder that piece of metal 90 degrees to make a T shape. This way it will grab onto the hub and steer the wheel on the inside. Very interesting. I like this one. And the fourth one is the differential steering system. So as I move the right wheel, you could see both the front and back moving. Likewise for the left wheels. So there is a mixer board inside, which allows me to steer the car left or right by varying the speeds of the two wheels on the right or the two wheels on the left. So basically it can drive like a tank. It can spin on the spot, which is quite amazing for such a conversion. Now in this shot, you can see I've removed the body shells of the 4 cars, so you can see the interior. Basically now you can see the ESC, the motors, the receiver, and I've used various receivers for all the 4 cars, so all the receivers are slightly different. Also there's the ESC, the speed controller for the motor. This one is the light dash model, this is the hyper dash model, this is a hyper plasma, and this is the start models. And notice there are 2 models because this car steers by differential speeds, so there's a requirement for 2 models. And that is the big mixer board which controls the differential speeds for the differential steering. Yeah, that's pretty much the differences. Enough talking, I'm going to take all these cars out and show you how they spin outside.